Okay, start cranking.
Okay.
You can actually see the numbers in here.
Okay, here we go. Very slow strokes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. 1250. We're starting to lose it. 13, 14. Shit. Well,
You're probably going to be able to go to about 3,000 pounds pretty easily. If you can push that hard.
it's very awkward. Yeah, there's 3,000.
There it goes.
32.
Something's ripping.
35.
What's tearing is your automatic G10.
Interesting. 4,000.
Oh no, they did go.
4,200 pounds. Over 4,200. And there's the failure mode.
Well.
Very cool.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think I can report to Brooks that we're probably okay with a 300-pound person standing on the ladder. Did you get the peak?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Although it started to fail a little bit.
Yeah, it was ripping. When you heard it at about 3,500 pounds or